The two methods for calculating the reduced level of points, the height of collimation and the other is options height of instrument, Simpson's method, trapezoidal rule, rise and fall method. Answer option D, rise and fall method. To develop the phase lag, which is the closer used next to the coin header. Options king closer, queen closer, coin bat. Answer option B, queen closer. The distance of the object from the survey line. Options chain age, lateral measurement, scale reading, offset. Answer option D, offset. The system of collecting and carrying sewage through sewers. Option sewage, sullage, sewerage, sewer. Answer option C, sewerage. The minimum velocity which will prevent the silting of particles in sewers. Options non-scouring velocity, self-cleansing velocity, scouring velocity, none of these. Answer option B, self-cleansing velocity. What will be the level difference between 2 points A and B when the observations are done by leveling instrument? The staff readings taken on benchmark of RL 15 meter, 3.185 meter and 2.685 meter respectively. Options A is 0.5 meter higher than B, B is 0.5 meter higher than A, B is 0.5 meter lower than A, none of these. Answer option B, B is 0.5 meter higher than A. The sewer appurtenance constructed to provide a connection between the high-level branch sewer to low-level main sewer. Options catch basin, manhole, drop manhole, deep manhole. Answer option C, drop manhole. The term which is measured as the vertical distance between crown and dip of a trap. Options crest width, water seal, dip depth, depth of water. Answer option B, water seal. The last manhole of house drainage system the trap provided. Options gully trap, S-trap, floor trap, intercepting trap. Answer option D, intercepting trap. In waterborne macadam rod, binding material to hold stone is option cement, sand, bitumen, red earth. Answer option D, red earth. The contractor's profit in rate analysis. Options 15%, 5%, 1%, 10%. Answer option D, 10%. The backside reading on a benchmark 100 meter was 1.65 meter. If the inverted staff reading to the bottom of a veranda roof slab is 0.25 meter, the RL of the bottom of the slab is options 2.9, 101.9, 102.9, 1.9. Answer option B, 101.9. For potable water, the highest desirable level of chloride content is options 250 mg per liter, 600 mg per liter, 500 mg per liter, 150 mg per liter. Answer option A, 250 mg per liter. The ratio of total built-up area inclusive of walls to the area of the land. Options plinth area, carpet area, floor space index. Answer option D, floor space index. The frontage margin in front of the abutting road. Options playground, porch, courtyard, setback. Answer option D, setback. In public water supply project, the coagulation is to be adopted when turbidity of water exceeds options 40 ppm, 10 ppm, 50 ppm, 100 ppm. Answer option A 40 ppm. The method of cleaning of rapid sand filters. Options: long laborious method, compressed air method, scrapping, agitation and backwashing. Answer option D agitation and backwashing. Temporary hardness is due to the presence of options: magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride, calcium nitrate, magnesium bicarbonate. Answer option D magnesium bicarbonates. Method of removing permanent hardness. Options: demineralization process, adding lime, boiling, none of these. Answer option A demineralization process. The system of layout of distribution pipe, one main supply from which submains are taken. Options: radial method, circular method, gridiron method, tree system. Answer option D tree system. The automatic device which allows water to go in one direction only. Options: relief valve, reflex valve, sluice, scour valve. Answer option B reflex valve. The system of carrying sewage through sewer. Options: dry system, conservancy system, partially separate system, sewerage. Answer option D sewerage. The sloping structure for negotiating the changes in different floors by vehicle or passengers. Options: moving stairs, fixed ladder, ramps, stair. Answer option C ramps. The technique of providing a new foundation below the existing one without endangering the stability. Options: shoring, piling, underpinning, scaffolding. Answer option C underpinning. The headroom for a staircase should not be less than options: 2 meter, 2.1 meter, 3 meter, 3.1 meter. Answer option B 2.1 meter. Which of the following constituent in the earth prevents shrinkage of bricks? Options: alumina, lime, silica, iron oxide. Answer option B lime. Which one of the following cement is preferably used for mass concreting works? Options: quick setting cement, Portland pozzolana cement, low heat cement, high alumina cement. Answer option C low heat cement. The sand passing through a sieve with a clear opening 1.58 mm. Options: fine sand, gravelly, coarse sand, pit sand. Answer option A fine sand. For a M50 grade concrete, the compressive strength of 150 mm cube up to 28 days in Newton per mm square. Options: 150, 50, 100, 15. Answer option B 50 Newton per mm square. The footing which support two or more column. Options: spread footing, combined footing, column footing, strip footing. Answer option B combined footing. The surface which is parallel to the mean spherical surface of the earth. Options: level surface, datum, ground surface, sea level surface. Answer option A level surface. The bond in which alternate headers and structures are laid to each course and the facing and the backing are of the same appearance. Options: English bond, double Flemish bond, single Flemish bond. Answer option B double Flemish bond. The highest point of the extradoors of an arch. Options: key, haunch, crown, rise. Answer option C crown. The minimum clear height from a thread to overhead construction. Options: patch, span, headroom, rise. Answer: option C, headroom. When soil reached maximum moisture content without the reduction in the volume of soil. Options: plastic limit, shrinkage limit, liquid limit, water content limit. Answer: option B, shrinkage limit. The section in which the amount of reinforcement provided is less than what is required. Options: over reinforced section, under reinforced section, balanced section, normal section. Answer: option B, under reinforced section. The definite height difference between two contour lines. Options: horizontal equivalent, contour interval, gradient, elevation. Answer: option B, contour interval.